Well, since we have been alluding to the EVM, can you tell us a little bit more about the Horizon Ecosystem Vision 2.0 and how EVM fits into that?
Sure. So really, the EVM is kind of like one of the most critical components of this. It's really going to set us up relatively differently than we have been in the past. The way I like to talk about things, or talk about the EVM at least, is that the rest of the world has really adopted Ethereum, the programming languages, the paradigms as standards at this point. And to date, we've been kind of speaking a different language. We've had UTXO specific blockchains. We've had different cryptographic primitives that we use in kind of our main chain and the first side chain that we built. And so this Ethereum deployment, this Ethereum virtual machine deployment is really a major step toward us being able to speak the language that the rest of the industry speaks, or at least that they're comfortable with at this point. It's going to enable us to access liquidity that Ethereum has a significant amount of, and really make connections with developers, communities, enterprises, anyone who's kind of familiar with the language or understands smart contracts, and create a space where builders can really hopefully build the next killer app with our support, with our partners' support. So it's a super exciting step forward, but it's not the only step forward. We're kind of taking a look at how the market has evolved in other ways, and really looking hard at a lot of what we have, evaluating whether or not it meets the market needs with the help of our product team and our strategy teams and product marketing. And then we're going to decide what we need to build to meet those industry needs, meet the needs of our partners, of the clients that we want to onboard, of the consumers and community members that we want to participate with us, and really start executing against building those things out, adapting what we've already built. And so a lot of exciting things to come. We're kind of in the process of really writing out this strategy right now. And over the next month or so, and this will help hold myself accountable, we should have something that we can release publicly to get some feedback on, have people publicly comment on, and then from there, really start designing and executing against what will be essentially our roadmap for the rest of the year and probably into next year as well.
Amazing. It sounds like a really exciting time for the product teams.
Super exciting.
Great. I also like that you gave yourself a hard timeline, and we're all going to now make sure that you deliver us this amazing ecosystem vision roadmap in the next month or so. Can't wait to see that.
I tend to work pretty well under pressure. So the more pressure that I can apply or help everyone else apply to myself, the better the outcome will be.
Fantastic. We'll all be there pushing you along.